It cuts out so many hours of your day, y'all. Oh, snap, what is it? What you talking, y'all? Girlfriend.
Whatever your damage is, cuz, that's what you gotta do for your life.
The color I have is 1B27. Ooh, shit! Yes, the hair length is chin length. Ooh! I'm so Ooh, hold on. I'm so excited. I'm so ready to put this on to be ignorant. Hey cousins, hey, it's your girl Mary Kate coming to you with a swipe. I'm really excited about this one, guys. I'm really excited about this one because this one, I worked with this company before. The product was awesome last time. It cuts out so many hours of your day, y'all.
I ain't lying.
I'm finna give you the details right after I show love to my subscriber today. Bam! Oh, you the bomb. I'm jumping right into this if you cannot tell because I'm ready to put this thing on my head, y'all. I'm ready, but I gotta tell y'all what it is. Okay, so this particular unit is from Neatandsleek. You know, you can go onto their Instagram and see all of their different braid wigs. They are so cute, you guys. I want to just show you before I get to putting it on and seeing what I can do with it. But I do want to tell you the details first. Something very specific that they said, and I wanted to let you guys know. It says this wig is made with a human hair lace front wig base to give it a natural look, to provide the illusion of hair coming out of the scalp. The hair is pre-plucked. The knots are fully bleached already. Now, I have not looked at this unit, so we gonna see. I'm just telling you what they did. Hey, I'm just telling you what I ain't trying to start. I'm just telling you what they said, all right? So what I have is a lace front 13x6. That means the lace is from ear to ear, and then you have 6 inches going back of parting space. In the middle is always the longest parting space that you have. The closer that you get to the side, you don't have 6 inches over here. You may have 2 inches over here, 2 inches over here, 3 inches, 4 inches, 6 inches, whatever. My cap size is small. That's for my Domeology, y'all.
Whatever your damage is, cuz, that's what you gotta do for your life.
And there are many different equations that you can use to figure out your Domeology, but the simplest one is just to take the circumference of your dome right up and through here. Right up and through here, right there. Okay? Whatever your number is, bam, that's your Domeology. Okay, the color I have is 1B27. Ooh, shit! Yes, the hair length is chin length. Ooh! Yeah, I get so excited about like bob-ish. You know, I get excited about stuff like that. I do. And then the baby hair is sparse. And I'm gonna have the information in the description box for you to go check out these wigs, okay? Neatandsleek, Neatandsleek, Neatandsleek. Hey, packet sauce. One time for the packet sauce. Hey, one time, 2 times for the 2 times for the packet sauce. Hey, let me just get this out. Ooh. Oh snap! What is it? What you talking, y'all? I'm so hyped. Let me see what I got, y'all. Ooh, this gonna be cute. This a butterfly lock wig. Ooh, y'all, I done had this for so long. I'm so excited. Ooh, hold on. Look. Ooh, there, through thick and thin. Yes, girlfriend. I like this. This is so cute. Let me come up on you like we finna fight. Okay, so this is the frontal that I was telling you about, y'all. Ooh, that's nice. That's nice, y'all. That's real nice. That's what it looks like. So it does look like scalp, y'all. It definitely looks like scalp. Here are the butterfly locks all up in the back of them. Oh, this is gonna be cute. I'm not gonna sit up here and play with y'all like this. Okay, let's look at the inside, how it's constructed. We have a comb right here, a comb right here. We have a comb in the bike. We have an elastic band and an adjustable strap, y'all. So this is gonna be on here nice and secure. Okay, and it looks like the elastic is not. This part right here is not removable unless you just cut it off. When they come on the wig, I just keep it on there because I don't get as many migraines now that I am birth control free. Y'all, if you know, you know. I done already told my story, honey. But yes, I don't get as many migraines now, so I'm not as strenuous on that as I used to be. Yes, y'all, this is so cute. Now, I will say it's a little weighty. It's got a little weight to it, but that's kind of to be expected with these chunky, juicy butterfly locks. And y'all know I like that. That's my type, huh? Chunky. Because see, when I do it in I'm gonna do it chunky because I'm not gonna sit up here for 17 hours because I got things to do. Even when I don't, I do. You see the braid across the top? That's the baby hair. Y'all cannot wait to play with this. I really cannot wait to play with this. This is constructed really well. I can tell that the knots have been bleached, y'all. Yes. Now, as far as this lace, I may have to tint, but that's okay. That's all right. I'm not afraid of that. Y'all scared of it? I'm not. That's the lace right. Oh, come on now. Come on now. Yeah, that's the lace right there. But y'all can see that those knots have been bleached beautifully. Yeah, we finna play with this, y'all, but I wanted to give you the details first. I'm so excited. I'm so ready to put this on to be ignorant. Let me show y'all the back too. Only the front is made via lace, like the lace frontal. In the back, it is like tracks made into the butterfly locks. The whole thing is not lace, okay? The whole entire wig is not lace. That's what we at in the back. With it, which that doesn't necessarily bother me. Yeah, y'all, we about to try this out. I just wanted to let y'all know what this was and get into the spirit of things, y'all, because I'm so ready to put this thing on and take some ignorant pictures. Stay tuned for the demo, y'all. Let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can do. All right, hold on.